Drivers in San Diego can expect to pay more for their car insurance this year compared to last. A new report found our increase will be steeper than any other city in California.
CBS 8's Richard Allen looks at what's driving this price hike and how commuters can curb their insurance costs.
Well, that's right. San Diego's projected increase in car insurance rates is one of the highest in the nation, just behind Phoenix and Orlando. But there are ways to help bring your rates down.
The cost of insurance has definitely gone up.
And is on track to go up even more, according to a new report by Bankrate, which finds that auto insurance rates in San Diego are expected to rise about 15% this year compared to last, bringing annual premiums to an average of $2,270. Ben Huggins has owned Everyday Insurance Service in Hillcrest for the past 25 years. He says inflation has impacted the insurance industry like other sectors, and that as more drivers are hitting the road as the pandemic wanes, they're driving more recklessly.
The accidents are way higher. You're seeing the increase of parts, harder to get parts, increases in body shop work, just all across the board.
Meaning it costs more to pay for claims, driving up premiums. Also, California's Department of Insurance, which had frozen rate increases during the early years of the pandemic, are now beginning to allow insurance companies to raise their prices again.
Because we live in San Diego, everything goes up. So I feel like it's just bound to happen, unfortunately.
South Bay resident Trina Newvong is a teacher in Pacific Beach, commuting about 60 miles round trip every day. She's resigned to having to shell out more to keep her insurance.
As a commuter, what else choice do I have?
But there are ways to curb your costs when it comes to insurance rates. Your daily mileage is the biggest driver of your premiums, according to Grant Mosley, insurance director of Utopia in Kearny Mesa.
So make sure the mileage is accurate and as low as possible, because that's a big part of where rates come in. The more you drive, the more they're going to charge.
Mosley also says your collision deductible increases rates more than your comprehensive deductible.
So I recommend carrying a lower comprehensive deductible and a higher collision. That will get you a better price.
And if you're thinking of ditching your current provider,
make sure you got something in place before you cancel your existing policy.
And to take a closer look at this new report for yourself, just go to CBS8.com, click on the online version of this story.